Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys doing well today. As you guys see by the title, we are going to be reviewing this wig that was sent to me from Wignee Hair. So this is my first time working with this brand, so we're going to see if we get something really nice today. They were sweet enough to send this here for review, and as always, everything will be listed down below. So this is a short bob wig, and it also has a bang. You guys know how we do on this channel. I'm also going to put a picture up so you guys could see the wig. So this is Wignee full part human hair with bangs and no lace wig. I believe they sent me a 12-inch. I'm not quite sure yet. We'll see. So the length is from 10 to 18 inch, multiple color and straight daily wig. They sent me, I think, the color 27. It looks really pretty in the picture, so hopefully it looks good on me. Okay, I really like bangs and stuff. Bangs really look good on me, so we'll see about that. So it all depends on the length that you get, and the price will be different, but it ranged from $44 to $64. So the length that they sent to me is a 12-inch, and the color is number 27. So this is the box that it came in here. Okay, we did get a stocking cap. This is a wig cap here. I don't like that wig cap. It's not for, it's like more for, it looks, I don't know, it looks like a stocking, like a pantyhose type thing. But anyway, this is the stocking cap that I got in here, and I don't like it, but I'll just use my own what's on my head. I also got some lashes in here, and this is the wig. So we're just gonna see what she's given. All right, so this is what she looks like. Really pretty. Wow. Let me see any smell. Not a bad smell, but it has a like a fragrance smell, but it's not bad. I actually like the color. Wait, this is 27? I'm kind of, this look like a 1B. Really don't look like a 27, but they said they sent me a 27, but it looks like a 1B to me. So we're just gonna go with the flow. We also have a bang here. So it's also breathable, perfect hand feeling and tangle free, shed free. You also could bleach this hair, and it's also human hair. The lace type is 4x4 non-lace. Of course, it's straight. The weight is 140 to 5 grams, and the density is 150. Suitable dyeing colors, natural black for burgundy and number 27. So it lasts for 1 year. The base size, it goes up to 18 inch, half machine made and half handmade. Okay, so I'll just give you guys a little specs about it. So we're just gonna put it on here, girl. Hopefully this looks good. This is definitely a little too tight for my head. All right, so this is straight out from the box, girl. It's a little bit too small for my head, but just gonna make it work. Okay, I like it. I love it. I wish it was actually 27, but this don't really look like 27 to me. It looks like more 1B. Yeah, it looks like 1B here, right? So this is it. It says it's 150 density. Really, really pretty. I'm gonna work my magic just to like press it down bone straight, because that's what I like, and fix the bang. The bang is a little too long for my face. I don't really like the bang to be too long, but I'll curl it up. Let's just fix this and see what she looks after. But this is just straight up from the box. Girl, this is driving me crazy. I like bang, but I do not like bang in my face. It's just like too much. did experience a few shedding when I was straightening out the hair, but that's about it. I really didn't experience a lot of shedding. Feel like this wig looks really good on me. It's a little different. I really love bangs, but it's really poking my eyes. I don't like it when it's too long, but it is what it is. I'd rather it be long than it's short and I have a problem, but it still looked nice. It looks so much better now. And at first I was like, ooh, no girl, we have to do something about this wig. It takes heat really good. It's human hair. It's not shiny or anything. You could tell this is human hair. Hot right now, so the hair is sticking on my neck a little bit, so it's kind of like all over the place in the back, but that's fine. You ain't gonna see that. Let me know what you guys think about this wig. What are your thoughts about this wig? I would love to hear what you guys have to say, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. So to my new subscribers, thank you guys so much for subscribing and sticking around, and to my OGs, I see you guys. Thank you so much for sticking around, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, guys. It's really important that you guys subscribe, and also like this video and share this video as well. Thank you guys so much. See you guys in my next video.